Muscle Car Corner bringing you a 72 Dodge Charger. It's just a plain Jane Charger, but the body's not bad on this thing. This could be made into a drag car, a cool drag car. Make it into a clone rod shop car with a Hemi sitting in it. It's a plain Janer with a column shift and was an air car. That's some miles on it. Looks like it's got 469. It's not worth much, but it is a Charger. I don't discount that at all. Being I got a 71 RT 440 mag car. I always look at these Chargers. Really, the body's not bad on this thing. I'm telling you, it's not rusted. This will make a great drag car. Somebody wants to come and get her, you can probably buy this thing for near nothing. Go buy yourself a Hemi and a Torque Flight. Primer this thing black. Get the suspension done. You got yourself something to play with. Let's take a look at what's the last time this car was on the road in South Carolina. 795. Muscle Car Corner bringing you a badass Mopar. If you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I appreciate y'all.